Welcome to Walmart.
I'll be your tour guide.
What are we doing, Peter?
All right, so some people have asked me to make a submarine, and I was like, okay, we'll do it. Okay, we'll do it.
That's
okay,
my
we'll do
answer.
it.
I'm just like, okay.
Yeah. But apparently I'm in California now, and we're with
Well, they do have an
William.
Iron Man one.
Oh, what are we doing?
Should we put rockets on it?
No, we need to make a submarine.
What should we use? Like a? Do we want to use like a car or like a kid's toy?
We should
You
use.
don't really need to
something.
buy an RC thing, right?
No, well, I mean, it has to be submarine. I mean, it could be a car, but we could make it out of a dump truck.
That's a good start.
Okay, I might. Yeah, let's look around some more.
Please don't know.
I think we found our submarine. Oh my god, it's so light.
So I'm gonna buy this and give it away in Peter's video. So we're gonna go through the comments of Peter's video. You better put this in the video.
Okay,
And
fine.
if you want this Dab for Freedom shirt, leave a comment.
I don't think America could get any lower at this stage. I think
great,
we're done as a
Peter.
country
This
now.
is like the most patriotic thing I've seen in a long time.
Who's ready for Civil War Part 2?
We're having a bad time, Peter.
So the camera decided to stop videoing.
It worked. So the camera was working, and it looked like it was recording, but it wouldn't stop recording, and we were playing with the power button. Camera was trying to turn it off, and the camera literally would not turn off.
So we lost the beginning half of this video. So if
It was so cool too. I put the Dabbing Eagle shirt on, and then we ripped it off, and it was really manly. The most important thing you missed is that if you want the Dabbing Eagle shirt, leave a comment on Peter's video. Okay, how much stuff do we have to put in here?
Okay, so for a submarine, we need some sort of propulsion, which we've got here. It needs to be sort of mutually buoyant, so I got these.
Will this run underwater?
It'll run very well underwater, but we're gonna figure out our buoyancy with these little fishing bobbers. And then I have some other motors that we're gonna mount to the side of the toaster to make it go up and down. And then we're gonna put a servo on it for the rudder so we can steer it.
We're using all DC motors?
All DC motors, yeah.
Okay.
You can use brushes underwater too, you know that?
Yeah.
They work just fine.
In saltwater?
They work great in salt water.
Wow.
The bearings just, take a crap after a while, but it's just salt water.
How are we gonna drive the tiny motors? Are we gonna use those fancy controllers?
Yeah, we're gonna use all the controllers. So I have these brush speed controllers. Here, you figure something out.
Okay, is this the music montage? Who is texting me?
Music montage.
Dun, 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 dun.
How did you get a mechanical engineering degree again?
I paid people a lot of money.
You're just gonna break my hot glue off. That's what you're gonna do. Oh my god, you're gonna make that work or what?
Yeah.
It's 2-person effort just to get a screw in a hole.
It's just gonna rip out.
Okay, cool. Sweet.
Looks like it's on there.
Yeah, that's definitely, it's not going anywhere.
Does it look like we know what we're doing?
It's definitely stuck. Okay. Do you have any signed chloroplast?
Whoa.
Like plastic chloroplast or corrugated plastic?
So, plants, just like the mitochondria.
Okay. This is probably where we're cut tomorrow. Powerhouse of the sound. Get away from me. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to make the server waterproof. So I'm gonna open up, pour some of this epoxy, no, not epoxy, corrosion X. This is like some kind of really, really good water dispersant. Pour it all inside the servo circuit board, put it back together, and it should be waterproof.
How much dollars?
I didn't get paid anything to say that.
Oh. Going as fast as I can, Cameraman John.
Does that hurt your ears, Cameraman John? Ow! What's that for? You jerk. Our toaster is ready for the ocean. Thanks so much. This is crap. Okay, hot tub. Accept my toast of Submarine.
The maiden voyage. Ooh, that's nasty looking.
That is gross AF.
I can't believe we're just about to put a load of electronics in a toaster. Is there any room for the bread?
Oh, yeah, they're not in there.
You know what? I'll just, whatever.
There's gonna be some soggy bread. This is like the reverse toaster.
Soggy boy.
Okay, let's see. Still works. That works. That works. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth.
Hey, that's not bad.
The toast fell
Dude,
out.
soggy boy, you gonna eat that, Peter?
Oh, it's coming up. It actually works.
Yes.
Look at the toaster.
Dude.
Oh my
This
god,
is so
this is cool.
stupid.
Yeah, it's working for sure.
It does not like to go up.
Yeah, it doesn't. It likes to stay underwater.
Sinky boy.
I think I'll look for a bigger motor. We'll maybe swap the motors out on the sides, but everything else works great. Oh, the propeller fell off. I didn't say it. Oops.
I don't want to go down there.
I don't want to go down.
Big good say?
Yep.
We're gonna fix. What are we gonna do to fix Sinky boy?
Okay, so we are at the Hacker House, which is like a big house in the middle of California, for whatever reason. This isn't necessarily Maker Faire, but we found a pool that is way better than trying to find someone's little water hole at Maker Faire. So we're gonna put the toaster.
We can do both.
I mean, actually, yeah, we'll still take it to Maker Faire, but if you find a body of water, put it in, we'll do it. But the pool's gonna work great.
We should
for
take
now.
it to Disneyland and put it in the river.
Yeah, like they're gonna like this. Like this isn't gonna raise any questions. Okay,
Just
let's start.
drone it in and then drop it.
Wait, hang on.
Turn it on.
We did put the battery in it. Yeah, just not too far though. Go.
It's like a dead fish.
Oh god, it's sinking. Okay, let's go up. Come on up, toaster.
Toasty McToasty is looking a little fat, Peter.
Have we removed from the toaster?
But it would look more like garbage, which I think is the goal here.
I want it to be slightly positively buoyant though, because
You know 1 million dolphins die every year choking on plastic bottles?
That's too negatively buoyant. Choke on this.
You see what I'm talking about?
What?
Dude, this is freaking awesome.
It works really well
This is great.
for a friggin' toaster. This is awesome. I want to go swimming with it. Should I jump in the pool?
Yes. Oh, I have dogs and stuff.
Hey, Will, can you plug me in?
Yeah, just
I choose not to live anymore.
Let's, where's the extension cord?
It's trying to get away.
Where's the alley?
It's by that room down there.
Right here.
Body wash.
Thank you, boy.
Underwater coaster.
Oh, robotic toaster. Can you guys see it on the video?
Back quarter, huh? Yeah. All right, good, thank you. Yeah, of course. Battle.
Alright, backing up.
Good job, Peter. We've built a clearly superior submarine.
Oh!
Peter, can you make toast?
Yes, I can. All right, let's see how this works. I think Toasty Boy's seen better days. I think your friend sat on it, and the shopping cart kind of crashed.
Yeah, that does not surprise me.
So, let's see if Toasty Boy still toasts. Are you ready? I'm gonna plug it into your GFI. I hope this doesn't catch on fire
As long
immediately.
as it's not wet. Currently, which I guess that means it could be.
I don't see any sparks.
I need this.
Where's the toast?
The toast? Oh, it's right here. Well, this is just bread currently, Peter.
Oh, wait. Oh, there's a difference, isn't there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, no one wants to eat the end piece. Okay. Toaster's in the toast. Oh, wait. Toast is in it? Alright, let's just turn the timer up. Let's do a short toast.
Wait for the styrofoam to catch on fire.
Ugh, that stinks. Oh, that stinks. It's working though. The nichrome wire is definitely lit.
You're lit.
I think we might have a slight problem. The zip tie is now touching the nichrome wire.
It's touching the nichrome wire?
It melted and is now touching the nichrome wire. So our modifications may not have been conducive to toasting. Let's give it a few more minutes.
Myth confirmed.
So toasters are definitely waterproof as long as you let them dry out before you toast your toast.
Pretty much everything is waterproof as long as it's not plugged into a battery or the wall.
I mean, that's plugged
Especially
into the wall.
Actually, now that I think about it.
Come on, I just want flame to shoot out of this. Yay, we're done. Toast is toast. It didn't smell too bad. Oh, of course. You ate the part where the zip tie was touching it. Should have ate in the other corner.
Here you go.
Well, that's good. I guess it's a good wrap up. The toaster definitely still toasts.
Myth proved or confirmed. You can turn a toaster into a submarine.
And it can still toast when you're done. So, if you want to see some other hot garbage, be sure to check out William's channel, because we also did a shopping cart thing. What else did we do?
That's it.
Oh.
Oh, the boat!
Oh, we did a
The
battleship
danger boat!
with a BB gun on it, which was horrifying.
I'm sure that's gonna make people happy.
That's it. Bye.